The process begins with freshly harvested potatoes, sourced in bulk and delivered directly for high-volume preparation.
Every journey begins at the source, where freshly harvested staples arrive together, setting the foundation for a massive production run. Each crate is positioned with intent, ensuring uninterrupted supply for continuous production. Gravity initiates the workflow, transferring the raw crop into a controlled mechanical stream.
Initial separation removes field residue, preparing the surface for deeper processing stages.
Mechanical brushing reduces contamination before any contact with water.
Human oversight complements automation, filtering out unsuitable material early.
Only selected units advance, maintaining consistency from the very first stage. Water jets complete the surface cleaning, eliminating remaining soil without damaging the skin. Now purified, the batch moves forward in a controlled, food-grade environment. With intake complete, the operation transitions into structured preparation. Sizing brings order, grouping each unit by dimension to ensure even downstream processing.
Standardized selection reduces variation, stabilizing cooking behavior later in the line.
Controlled steam loosens the outer skin without cutting into the edible core.
Heat and motion work together, removing only what is necessary.
Freshly exposed surfaces are checked to confirm clean removal and integrity.
Final manual refinement ensures uniform appearance before cutting begins.
Precision cutting converts whole units into evenly sized cubes. Balanced distribution prevents clumping and preserves consistent cube geometry. A brief rinse stabilizes texture, preparing the pieces for controlled cooking.
At this stage, the base of the filling is fully prepared, awaiting flavor integration.
Uniform exposure ensures every segment reaches the same internal tenderness.
Measured heat penetrates evenly, softening the cubes without breaking their structure.
Uniform exposure ensures every segment reaches the same internal tenderness.
Moisture control stabilizes texture before seasoning begins.
Temperature reduction prepares the base for spice absorption without degradation.
Secondary components are introduced only after the primary base is fully prepared. Brief heat activation preserves color while improving bite consistency. Separate streams unite, forming the foundation of the filling mixture.
Heat and sharpness are layered deliberately, never overpowering the base.
At this point, raw ingredients transition into a unified, seasoned core.
The seasoned core is released gently, preserving texture while stabilizing temperature. The mixture is now staged, waiting to be enclosed.
In parallel, the outer structure is prepared to contain the seasoned interior.
Hydration and fat are balanced to control elasticity and crispness.
Mechanical kneading aligns the gluten network for strength. The dough is flattened into uniform sheets with controlled thickness. Identical bases are created, ready for precise filling and folding. Flat sheets transition into three-dimensional pockets, shaped to receive the core.
Geometry is controlled, creating consistent internal volume every time.
Prepared sheets advance in sequence, sized specifically for traditional triangular folding. The first fold defines the structure that will hold the spiced interior.
The seasoned potato filling is introduced only after the shell takes shape. The final fold completes the familiar geometry, recognized across kitchens and cultures.
Natural sealing locks the folds without altering texture. Each piece settles into its resting position, maintaining its triangular identity. Oil contact begins gradually, protecting seams from sudden stress. Heat circulates around every edge, developing uniform crispness. Excess oil drains away, revealing the final fried shell.
The samosa reaches its finished form, defined, sealed, and ready for cooling.
Post-frying rest allows excess heat to escape without softening the crust.
Natural spacing prevents steam buildup between neighboring pieces.
Temperature verification confirms internal stability before handling.
Human judgment identifies defects automation may miss.
Depending on destination, the product is stabilized for transport or storage.
Traceability and hygiene are locked at this stage.
Individual units consolidate into transport-ready volume. Individual units consolidate into transport-ready volume.